Hello everyone, welcome to Chill Chapters. Today, we'll be discussing The J by Kabawata Yasunari. Let's begin. The J by Kabawata Yasunari is a short story that centers on a seemingly simple incident involving a jay, which becomes a moment of quiet reflection. Through subtle observation, the story explores human emotion, memory, and sensitivity, showing how ordinary events can reveal deeper inner experiences. And here's the analysis. The story explores themes of loneliness, impermanence, and emotional awareness. Kawawata's minimalist style focuses on mood and imagery rather than action, encouraging readers to reflect on unspoken feelings. The tone is subtle, contemplative, and restrained, characteristic of Kabawata's delicate portrayal of inner life.